God punish this nigga. You carry phone in flesh or I don't get me a new phone now. Oga, give me my phone. Including your own. Huh? Yes, everything. Oga, don't finish.
Yes, thank you very much for watching Laugh Nation Entertainment Comedy video. See you on Monday. See you on Friday. Please, please. This one is very serious. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video to everybody you come across. But stop stealing people's phone. Stop collecting people's phone. If not, one day you will collect a ghost.